Yes. The two winners of these two matches stand on third place, yes. Oh, there's the guy we were with earlier, Maxim Milanov, right there, in this corner.
Награждение 60 килограммов участвует Борис Павлов, Дмитрий Миашвили.
No, hand on his chin, right behind that guy, to the left of that guy.
Next to that.
No, he's two-time Russian national champion. This is the second bronze medal match on that seed.
Синим триком мастер спорта Баяр Цыренов. Борцы представляют команду Республики Бурятия.
You can't swipe the leg with your leg.
Yeah, you can.
Oh, you can?
Oh, yeah. Like that foot sweep you just tried. Yeah.
I'll just get you. Just put it. Just check it. That's it.
In between periods, I'm going to get the names so we can name it. I got some other interesting points I want to ask you about. I'll wait though.
Ball grab.
Short time here.
Both 0-0.
Yeah. Ball grab over there. Both are going to the ball grab. Look, he's already got the bag of balls ready.
Are these rules used in any other country?
Oh yeah, United States for our U.S. team that's going to Denmark. You win this, you go to
Consistent.
yeah, they're wherever. Yeah,
What are these rules called?
the FILA. FILA is the governing body of wrestling. FIFA is the governing body of soccer. Ooh, that was nice.
Cheers out right here. Matt B.
So I'm Matt C. This is the bronze medal, the second bronze medal match on Matt C here. To check our site out?
Бронзовый призер мира в Иране.
Got some planes?
Серебряный призер международного турнира серии Гран-при Иван Великин 2009 года.
Do you do this thing with the car?
Stop a car?
Yeah, and then you kind of negotiate. You like that? That seems pretty safe. Whereas in America, it wouldn't be at all.
Yeah, not common anyways.
Серебряный призер
Oh, we had that.
Oh, and got him strapped up. He's going to stick him.
Гран-при Иван Великин.
That was nice, huh?
He like dragged him.
Oh, see the shoes the guy in the red has on? On arms? Yeah, the shoes, the Adidas ones.
Yeah.
Joe here brought 60 pair of those over here last year and gave them to all those guys.
Really?
Yeah,
Seriously?
2 big duffel bags.
Cool.
На коврице в красном трико борется Виктор Банзаракцаев.
Joe's a true ambassador of wrestling.
Представляет команду Республики Бурятия.
Cool, those are his shoes. You
Ему
should go and get them.
Even though some people want us just to go away.
Виктор Банзаракцаев,
from Adidas?
победитель международного турнира на президента Республики Бурятия. В синем трико Баяр
Does it
Цыренов.
call him a Barabian? Cejudo over here?
Баяр Цыренов представляет команду Республики Бурятия. Ему 22 года.
Dude, the blue
11
singles,
занимается
the
борьбой.
Barabian body double.
Призер первенства
of Henry
России
Cejudo.
2006 года.
Back in the head though. His commentary is interesting. Эрик Андреевич Агаев и Ваха Аушев приглашаются к столу информатора.
Keeps yoking him up. He's Taco Bell, man. He's running for the border.
Well, he just running for safety.
Yeah. Ball grab over here again.
Lost the round.
Ball grab again.
Red ball. Or blue ball.
Blue?
Blue over here.
Blue again. In USA at the big junior tournament, they flip a disc, a red and a blue disc, or red and green or whatever. I don't know. Wow, that's the longest pause I've ever seen.
Small.
Готовится борца Бесикудуков Опансад.
That's how it goes, though. They're trying to push you to initiate action,
Баяр Цыренов.
not to leave it up to chance, essentially.
И боец Цыренов удостоен